Send the recording also. After that, finish the drawing. Okay, don't worry. We make some very simple sketch first. We are making, okay, doing some sketching, art of art of art of dogs of heaven. This is a
Sir, can we draw that drawing which you showed, sir? That some girl is red and watercolor girl with some flower in the hand.
yeah. Let's start. Okay, I show. Make it first circle. One drawing. We are taking the 5 minutes, so we have to do few drawing. Okay, so make it like this. Okay, circle.
Sir, horizontally or vertically?
All is landscape. All is landscape. This. Okay, make a line like this. Okay, do like this. Make one, two. This is line. Draw like this. Okay, very simple circle. Okay, so we are making after that we're just making like little bit of like this, like this, little bit of extend. Okay, like this. Okay, little bit of extend. So this eyes line, so I can create the eyes over here. Eyes over here. This eyes line, this is eyes line, so I draw eyes over here. One eyes, another eyes, the same. Okay, make the eyes like this. Eyebrow, nose. So this eyes line then done, and here to here, if you half it, is a nose. So do the nose like this,
Sir,
and
can you show how to draw this?
just simple. From this line to this line, half is the nose position. So you make nose like this, like this. Simple. And here to here, you divided the three part. 1, 2, 3. So this is 1, 2, 3. This is two divisions over here. So you can make it. This is the mouth. So we are making the mouth here. Okay. If you want to make smiley face, so it is a smiley face like this. Okay. This is smiley face. So your basic face is done. You just add something here. You add some here. Okay, I just add some here. I add here the here. Okay, I just add some here.
Sir, can you show how to draw the eye?
Yes, beta, it's very easy. I show you. Out of the eyes, Just this is the eyes line. Okay, make it like this. Okay, this line, curve line, and join this. And here eyeball. Here also same, like this. Opposite. This is like this. This is like this. Opposite. Okay, like this. And make it. Okay. So we're doing only sketching. Is not lots of drawing, lots of finishing line. The sketching kind of. Okay. We are just.
So it's in a cartoon character.
It's cartoon character, beta. It is cartoon character, yeah. It's cartoon character design for animation movie. I show how to make your own character.
Oh.
Just do sketching only. Okay. And you just erase all construction line. After the drawing complete, you just erase the all construction line. Because this is disturb, this is a circle inside the face. It is little disturbing.
Sir, can you show how to do the mouth?
Mouth, yeah, I show you. Yeah, I showed us how to draw the mouth.
Sir?
Hi.
Sir?
Yes, beta.
Sir, can we draw that lady, sir?
Here is Larry.
Yes, sir, that's the first one. The first one which you showed us.
Yeah, it's the lady only, beta.
Yes, sir, can we draw that one?
Yeah, no need to draw that one. So how to make the mouth? Okay, mouth is very simple. I just make it clear line. First you draw with a pencil rough line like this, and then after that if you have a brush pen or something like that, you will then you are making this line like this. Okay, you can make the smiley. Like this. Okay, little simple line adds.
Sir, please wait.
Yeah, I just wait just a minute. I just give the outline, okay, not add something new. Just add some hairband. This looks cute. like this. Just when after the drawing complete, you just make it settled your with a pen, brush pen, and something else. This kind of practices help you a lot to you creates the comics drawings